Imagine this. It's a freezing winter morning, and you wake up craving a hot shower to shake off the chill. You turn on the faucet, but instead of the comforting rush of warm water, you're met with an icy blast. The power's out, the boiler's dead, and you're left with no options. For most of us, this scenario would feel unbearable. If the water heater broke, I, like many others, would immediately call a repair technician and rarely give the situation a second thought. But what if you didn't have that option? What if you had to live without modern conveniences like hot water on demand? For the Amish, that is not theory. That is life. Although taking icy cold showers in snowy weather would present the worst nightmare one could ever imagine, the Amish have developed ingenious ways to ensure they never will depend on boilers, electricity, or the latest gadgets. If you have ever wondered how they can enjoy warm, relaxing showers off the grid, you are in the right place. Welcome to Rustic Pantry, where we explore timeless, practical solutions for modern challenges. So, what is their secret? It's not magic, though it might feel like it. It's a combination of old-fashioned creativity, a little physics, and a willingness to get your hands dirty. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Amish ingenuity and discover how they stay warm and clean, even in the depths of winter. Gravity-fed water systems, the simplest solution. Showering without modern plumbing might sound like something from the Stone Age, but for the Amish, it's just another day at home. One of their most brilliant and straightforward solutions is the gravity-fed water system. Sometimes, the most effective ideas are the simplest ones, and gravity has been helping humanity since the dawn of time. Ever tried jumping up and staying there? Exactly. Here's how it works. The Amish set up a large water tank high above ground, often on a platform or in the barn. Gravity pulls the water downward through pipes, creating water pressure that delivers water to faucets or showers. To try this yourself, you'll need a large water tank elevated on a platform. Attach pipes to the bottom of the tank to carry water down into your shower or under your sink, and control the flow with a simple valve. No pumps, no complicated plumbing, gravity will do its thing. When combined with other such methods like a wood stove or solar heating, this system becomes a reliable off-grid solution for hot showers. It's efficient, dependable, and completely immune to power outages. Plus, it can save a big chunk of your energy bill. Did you know about 10 to 15% of household energy use is used in water heating? A gravity-fed system operates at $0. Now that's a win-win. Wood stoves, old school and cozy. If there is something that screams old-school cozy, it has to be a wood-burning stove. The Amish use these stoves not only to heat their homes, but also to heat water efficiently, a system that's been working for generations. Here's how it works. A water tank is attached to the stove. As the fire roars, it warms the tank and provides hot water for showers, dishes, etc. No wood stove? Easy! You can start small by going down to the store and grabbing a little firewood and playing around with heating water over an open flame. Even just a little taste of off-grid living can be wildly fulfilling. Using wood is also sustainable, provided you're mindful of your consumption. The Amish often harvest their own firewood, ensuring a renewable and eco-friendly heat source. It's a reminder that sometimes the old ways are the best ways. Solar heating, harnessing the sun. Simplicity is characteristic of the Amish, but they are wise enough to reap free energy from the ultimate source, the sun. Forget high-tech solar panels. The Amish use dark-colored barrels or metal tanks kept outside to soak up heat from sunlight. Dark surfaces attract and retain more heat, which makes the water inside warm. On a sunny day, water in these solar tanks can reach temperatures up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius. It's a cheap, low-effort way to obtain hot water. You can even test this experiment yourself if you have a sunny spot. Place a black barrel or container under direct sunlight and see how warm the water gets. On cloudy days, it's handy to have a backup system like a wood stove or rocket stove. Rocket stoves, highly efficient, very little work. As far as rocket stoves are concerned, highly efficient heaters that Amish really like. It is burning the littlest bits of wood or twigs, creating hot fires. In contrast, traditional wood stoves work 5 to 10 times less efficiently, which uses more fuel but generates much less heat and can't quickly heat up the water. Building a rocket stove is the perfect DIY. This stove you could make will draw heat straight from the flames down into your water tank with just metal barrels, fire bricks, and insulated piping. Simple, sustainable, and very efficient, the hallmark of Amish ingenuity. Insulated water tanks, keeping it warm inside. Once the water is hot, keeping it that way is half the battle. The Amish use insulated water tanks to prevent heat from escaping. Thick walls or natural insulation like straw ensure the water stays warm for hours. You can easily replicate this at home by wrapping your water tank in an insulation kit or using thick materials like foam or blankets. Not only does this save energy, but it also ensures you'll always have hot water ready to go. Thermal mass, stockpiling heat for the long haul. Apart from insulation, Amish people make use of thermal mass materials like stone or thick metal to store heat. They absorb the heat from a stove or solar heater and then release it slowly to keep water warm for a longer time. Imagine it as a huge thermos for your water. Lessons from the Amish. From gravity-fed systems to solar heating, the Amish prove that hot water doesn't require complex technology or hefty energy bills. Their methods are practical, eco-friendly, and accessible to anyone willing to try. Using the resources nature provides, they have mastered the art of sustainability. So, if you're looking to cut costs, reduce your carbon footprint, or simply feel the satisfaction of self-reliance, take a page from the Amish playbook. Hot water doesn't have to be complicated. It just takes a bit of creativity, a willingness to experiment, and the right mindset. Welcome to Rustic Pantry, where simple solutions meet timeless ingenuity. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and inspiration for living a more sustainable, self-sufficient life.